Restoration.
Updates whenever it comes into the potential setup of severe weather. I internally expected the upgrade coming for Eastern Ohio based on the conditions that I was seeing yesterday, and gut feeling happened, I guess, in the sense of that upgrade across I-77 and continuing along I-70 right along the border of Ohio and West Virginia for an enhanced risk upgrade. That's a 3 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. The northern panhandle continuing through southwestern Pennsylvania, slight risk, 2 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Primary concerns 1 and 2, damaging wind gust potential and tornadic activity. Whenever it comes into the time period that I'm most concerned about severe weather impacting the tri-state area, 3 to 10 is the critical time periods. We'll time it out with predictors, or time it out with predictor in a moment. I do have 2 factors that could limit or aid in potential severe weather. I'll tell you those in just a moment, but I expect to see downpours as well as the potential for hail formation across the tri-state area. Localized flooding is not out of the realm of possibility, but that leading concern is that damaging wind gusts, and we start to see an uptick in wind potential late morning continuing on through lunch into the afternoon. Will blow sustained 10 to 20 gusts exceeding 40 miles per hour, certainly possible. That's a concern. Along with any thunderstorm development, wind gusts could exceed that 58 mile per hour threshold. One of the benchmarks whenever the National Weather Service is issuing a severe thunderstorm warning has to meet a few criteria. Radar indicated gusts exceeding 58 miles per hour, one of those potentials. So if you are planning outdoor activities tomorrow, more so pull those inside, as well as give yourself the time period now to secure loose items, as well as pull in any of those decorations or flags if you have the opportunity to do so. More so dodging a few light raindrops along the tri-state area up into areas like Hancock and Jefferson County, scattered about western Belmont into the border of Guernsey and Noble County. So if you have the opportunity, just secure those trampolines, those swing sets, perhaps pull those flags inside, because it's the development of our next round of rain. This is the warm sector that's located across Indiana and western Ohio. I'm not concerned about this development. This moves through early tomorrow morning. I'm more so concerned how these scattered showers along Alabama and Georgia develop, as well as towards Oklahoma and Arkansas. Both of these will come together, giving us the fuel and potential for that severe weather to roll through the tri-state area. Here's how this all plays out with predictor. Notice the leading edge of light to perhaps moderate pockets of precip rolling in during Thursday morning. We start to gradually wrap up closer to 7, 8 o'clock, but it will be a damp start to our Thursday. Here's how conditions continue on through lunch, then further into the afternoon. I want to pause this right around that 3, 4 o'clock time period. Look at that cell that's developing along I-77. I expect there to be some partial clearing. Warm air is already going to be a factor. We have moisture to tap into, but how much warmth or clearing do we see allows our air parcels to become a bit more unstable. That could characterize the setup for long-lived and sustained rounds of severe weather, even as this cell aligns itself and moves through the tri-state area right along 6, 7, 8 o'clock. This all has my attention. So temperatures tomorrow could be a factor in terms of inhibiting or limiting our severe weather threat. Cooler air works through and continues our chance for scattered showers on Friday. We stay windy through the weekend. I will keep our weekend dry for now. Temperatures get back into the 70s midway through our next work week.